Here's an interesting app called MyMood AI photo generator. So let's just install it, see how it works. So double click to install it. And yeah, it says is your avatar's best friend. Use our face swap technology in this top-notch AI photo generator to transform into various outfits, styles, and scenes instantly. Prepare to unlock the limitless potential of MyMood's AI cutting-edge AI technology. Our versatile AI photo generator also serves as an enhancer, editor, and picture generator. Empowers you to effortlessly transform your selfies into photorealistic avatars. And with MyMood AI, you can create lifelike avatars using our AI avatar generator. 1,000 different styles ranging from billionaire to spa day, everything in between. And there is like a subscriptions weekly plan, $5 per week, where you can just get that. And then you can just open it up. And this is how it looks like. And so now you just need to select the gender. Like male is not available yet, so unfortunately it's only female. And then you can just see all of the suggestions how to generate it. And then you just need to upload selfie. Just for this app, let's see what happens. Like if I just upload, like whatever, just male selfie. But okay, so you need to upload at least 15 photos for best results. The more the better. So high variety. Again, you just need to express as many emotions as you can. So it's not only like sad or smile, like all the different types. But you don't need to use like group photos, and you don't need to use like some, so much different angles, whatever. Just make sure to use what it is, just you and upper body only, and then try that. I'm just bringing your attention to this app, just as an alternative to a bunch of other apps. I recently tried app called Epic for this yearbook, AI yearbook. And I also tried this photo lab, but these are just like alternatives, where you just want to try something new. I don't know if that is too cheaper or not. So here you have weekly plan, it's $5 per week. Seems kind of, it's not on the cheaper side, it's like $20 per month. But then services, if you have a subscription, you have 50% off all avatars. That's what it is.